Hello awesome YouTube learners, my name is Galaxy and today I'm gonna teach you something about the zooming pane in Kdenlive so you can clip the video easily. Let's get started. Let's open Kdenlive. Alright, let's open some videos. I'll just drag drag the video clip on your tracks. So this is all about zooming pane. This is the track pane, and sometimes you feel like you want to scroll your video just like this and this. You want to cut your video and it's a tedious task, just panning and panning left and right because it's too longer. And one important tips I want to give in this video is very useful, that is in the bottom right corner. Here is the zooming panel. You can zoom accordingly and you can cut the video just like this. If you want to zoom in particular section of the video, then you can just zoom in the level you like, and you choose the timeline here and you just cut it, then adjust, delete the selected item just like this, and that's it. That's for the zooming episode on the Kdenlive. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.